In this video, I'm going to talk about a trading platform where you can trade cryptocurrencies, Forex, different types of indices, and you can also trade commodities with just a single account. Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Hassan and today I'm going to talk about PRIMEXBT, which is a margin trading platform where you can trade different types of cryptocurrencies, Forex, different types of commodities, and you can also trade indices with just a single account. So to start off with, just go to primexbt.com. Let's have a look at how you can get registered with PRIMEXBT, the different types of requirements to get registered, and the basic overview of the platform itself. Here is how the PRIMEXBT website looks. Here you can trade different types of cryptocurrencies, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, EOS with really tight spreads, and the fees are also very low. You can also trade different types of indices, for example, the S&P 500, FTSE 100, Japanese stock exchange, etc. When it comes to Forex, you can trade on popular currency pairs, for example, Euro, USD, other different combinations. And in commodities, you can trade gold, silver, natural gas, among many others. So if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the different markets that are available in PRIMEXBT: USD, BTC combination, Litecoin BTC combination, Nasdaq, Japanese stock exchange, and many others. To open an account with PRIMEXBT is very simple and you can open it within a few seconds. PRIMEXBT does not use KYC, so you do not have to transfer your documents in order to open an account with PRIMEXBT. To start off, you'll just need to register, then add your funds and start trading. There are a few nationalities which cannot open an account with PRIMEXBT. Those nationalities include the United States, Japan, Russia, Algeria, Canada. The whole list is here in the bottom, so you can have a look if you are eligible to open an account with them. If you are in this list, unfortunately, you cannot open an account, but a majority of the European countries are there and you can easily open an account with PRIMEXBT. Before I continue, I would like to say that this video is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. As with any platform that includes investing and trading, your capital is at risk. As PRIMEXBT is a margin trading platform, which means that you can do leverage trading of up to 1000x. So this means that if you invest 100 euros or if you deposit 100 euros, you are able to trade for a 1000x amount. So you'll be able to earn more, but there is a chance of you losing a really high amount as you are leveraged. So be careful, do your research and see how leveraging works and how margin trading works before you start investing in any trading platform. To register, simply click on the top right corner, register, and then you'll come to this page where you'll need to put in your email address, your password and your phone number. The phone number is used for additional authentication. If you're using a new device or if you're using a new IP address, you'll be notified if you activate those additional authentication features. So add your email address, your password and your mobile phone number and you can get started. Once you register, verify your email address, verify your PIN code sent to your mobile phone number. Once you do that, simply click on login and you'll come to this screen. Now this is the dashboard. It has multiple features. Let's just go through what is available. On the top left corner, you have the total funds that are available. Then there is an invite and earn option. If you click join now, here you'll be able to see that PRIMEXBT has a 4-tier referral program. What this means is that you can earn a referral up to 4 tiers. The people that you directly invite is the first tier. You'll receive 20% of the trading fees that they use. The number of people that your friends invite, you'll get 15% of all of the people that they invite. In the third level, whomever they invite, you'll get 10%, and even in the fourth level, you'll get 5% of the fees of whomever they invite in the fourth level. So this is a really great referral program which you can utilize up to 4 levels. So have a look at it as well. So let's just go back to the dashboard. After that, you have your different kinds of wallets. So here you have your Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, Tether USD wallet, and so on and so forth. In order to deposit any cryptocurrency, simply click on deposit and you'll come to this screen where you'll have your personal BTC deposit address. Simply use the QR code or the address given here to deposit your Bitcoin into your PRIMEXBT account. If you do not have cryptocurrency in an external wallet or in another exchange, you can directly buy cryptocurrency from PRIMEXBT. To do that, click on buy Bitcoin and you can buy directly from PRIMEXBT. For Visa card or MasterCard, there's a fee of 4.7%. With SEPA, there's a fee of 3% if you buy directly with PRIMEXBT. So we just go back and we'll see that you can buy Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies directly as well. Then is the margin account. Here you can fund your margin account with the funds that are already available in your PRIMEXBT account. To fund your margin Bitcoin account, click on margin BTC. Here PRIMEXBT have given a special offer for all of my subscribers. If you put in MSN50, you will get a 50% bonus of whatever you deposit. So if you deposit 100 euros worth of Bitcoin in your margin account, will get 50% of that in addition. Now this additional 50% cannot be withdrawn directly. This bonus can only be used for investing, and the profits that you get with this amount can be withdrawn. So let's say you deposited 100 euros worth of Bitcoin, you got 50 euros worth of Bitcoin as a bonus, you invested 150, you can withdraw your initial amount and you can withdraw the profits that you have gotten with this additional 50 euros worth of BTC. This is very reasonable. If there was no restriction to withdrawal, people would just deposit 100 euros, get 50% bonus, withdraw everything, again deposit 150 euros, get 50% bonus, and it would have been an unlimited money loophole. But it doesn't work like that. You will be only able to withdraw the profit that you get from investing this additional 50%. So as you can see, I have already added this promotion code in my account, and you can see here is you can have a 50% additional bonus that's tradable. Now this only applies for any deposit that is worth more than 0.005 BTC. Make sure that in order to get this additional bonus, you are actually above the minimum limit. Let's just go back to the main screen, and at the bottom you'll see co-vesting options. Now this is a really great option from PRIMEXBT. I'll make a dedicated video on this co-vesting platform later on, but simply put, this is a copy trading option where you can copy trades from different kinds of strategies made by different kind of investors. Let's just go to the margin account. If you click on margin, you'll come to this screen. Now here it can be a little bit intimidating for beginners, but let's just go through everything that's available here. Here you'll see the chart for different kinds of trades. Then you have positions. With PRIMEXBT, you can easily modify your dashboard. So if you click on the X button here, the charts go away, then the positions go away. Now here you can simply click on the plus option. You'll have different widgets to select from. So if you click on chart, the chart widget comes up. Then let's say we want our watch list. Watch list comes up. Then let's select the positions and the orders. Now these have been loaded. We can simply move these in different locations. So let's say that we want something like this. Now we are able to simply maneuver different widgets and different locations. All right, to get started with buying and selling different kinds of assets, you can click on the symbols. For example, let's have a look at S&P 500. If we click on trade, now here we have different kinds of options available. We can have a market order, we can have a limit order, we can have a stop order. We can put in the amount that we want to trade with. If you want to sell, we can click sell, and buy if you want to buy. Now with PRIMEXBT, they do not have a stop loss or take profit automatically set up. So you'll have to add a stop loss or take profit manually. You can simply put whatever price that you want to put as a stop loss or a take profit. So as I mentioned before, this is a margin trading platform. So I would really recommend that you look into the platform before you start investing. On the left side, you can have a look at all of the trading history that you have done, all of the buy orders, sell orders, profit loss, everything can be seen here. This will be very useful for tax purposes as you'll have to do all of your taxes manually. In the next video, I'll be talking about the co-vesting module and how you can follow different kinds of strategies in that module. The 50% affiliate bonus link is MSN50. You don't have to use it, but if you use it, it'll help me out as well. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bleib gesund.